Good morning, greetings, and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new episode of Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas episode, is it 15? 15! And it is Saturday. We're gonna go out thrifting today, and I'm super duper excited. Okay, I don't think I ever told you guys what happened with, okay, so we have 3 different sized air filters in the house. And there's the smallest one that I ordered came, and it ended up being too big for the vent, and I was like, oh my gosh, how can it be too big? In my head, then I looked at it and I was like, oh, it's 15, it was like an inch too big. And then looking at it, I was like, oh, I can't believe I ordered the wrong size, right? So then I return it, and I'm returning it right now. And I ordered the new one. The new one comes, and I went like a size down. Doesn't fit, right? And then I haven't shipped back the original box yet, and I looked at the box, and then I looked at my original order. And my original order, I actually ordered the right size. They actually sent the wrong size. And I don't know, like in my head, I was like, no, they couldn't have sent the wrong size. It was my fault. It wasn't my fault. They sent the wrong one. So they ended up ordering 2 wrong sizes. I ordered the right size. It should be coming the beginning of this week, and I have to go drop these off at UPS. Oh my gosh. But at least I only have to make 1 trip. So I have those 2. I'm going to drop that off, and then that'll be that. But we're going to go thrifting today. It's going to be so much fun. So let's head out. Hey guys, we are at our first stop, and we are at Rare in Anaheim. And I'm super excited to see what they have today. I just met some of you guys outside too. It was so sweet. So that was so fun. I'm gonna have to try that poke bowl place because I do love poke bowls. So good. Speaking of poke bowls, there's a poke ball right there. Some Pokemon. Elliot Luca. No, some Urban Expressions. Steve Madden. Fake Michael Kors, it just has M's on it. That's funny. Whoa, a lineup of handbags. What is that? Piero Guido. This is actually kind of cute, like the print is pretty cute. Betsy Johnson. But check out this butterfly box. It's amazing. These butterflies are so gorgeous. $7.99. This is so pretty. I want to like just set it on a table or something. I think that'd be really, really cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. This is so cool. Oh, hold on. Do I see a Dooney and Burke up here? Let us see. This one's $15. Kind of cute. Look at these. Look at the dress. It's kind of cool. This raft. There's a very similar one at another Goodwill like down the street from here, which I think is really funny. But they have like similar bags that look almost exactly the same. Look at that gown. Oh my gosh. That vintage Gucci shoes. Oh, that Louis Vuitton thing. That looks interesting. Oh yeah, these Gucci's are so cute, and they're like vintage, but these do not fit me. They're size 42. Oh, this little coach thing is pretty cute. Steve Madden. Oh, here's that Louis Vuitton looking thing. Oh, it's like a planner. This is cute. $12.99. This is kind of cute. B. Mikowski. Charlie Lapson. This fossil cell phone case. Dooney and Burke pouch. Perlina. Oh, that Tiffany and fashion book looks fabulous. Oh, they have these size 13 Allen Edmonds. They're only 20 bucks. I love Allen Edmonds shoes so much. I'm still looking for like a really cool like pair like in brown. Oh, stop. This is only $10. I'm gonna get this. These are so expensive. At the other Grail, they're like literally 30 bucks. These are only $10. There's 2 of them. That's like perfect. Okay. I like those plant stands. Let's see what else we can find. Gosh, I love this store. There's always like so many things to look at. And once in a while you find some really cool pieces. Like I said, everything here is like curated specifically just for the store. I think it's the only one of its kind. Like they have other Goodwill boutiques, but this is the only one that's like this. And yeah, that's like my favorite. I love this place so much. Oh, this is Tiffany's stuff. Oh my gosh, I just found Tiffany's. Do you see that? It says Tiffany's right there. It's not focusing. Do you see it? Oh my gosh. What was this other thing? Tiffany's too? Am I going crazy? This one does not say Tiffany's on it. It's just those candle holders. I'm shook. Oh my gosh, I have these ornaments. These are like from Costco. Look at that cute little Mickey Mouse, and also look at these. These are from Target. Glass terrarium is not attached to the wooden base. How cute are those? Guys, it's Aslan. He's 10 bucks. Guys, I'm literally so excited. Like, this is like on my thrifting bucket list to find Tiffany glass. Oh, yes. I'm even more shook that it's $14.99 for the pair. Okay, so in honor of the candlesticks, I feel like, do I need to get this Tiffany's and fashion book as well? The images are beautiful, and I love like reading these kinds of books and looking through the photos. Look at that. Stunning. It's $10. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna pass because it's only $20. On here, I don't know, it's like a, I don't know, what should I do? Gosh, you guys, I got so much good stuff. I'm so excited. I have to make 2 trips to the car. Hey guys, I'm actually at a nearby Starbucks right now, and I'm gonna go inside and check out what they have because I'm looking for those glittery unicorn mugs or cups. So let's see if they have them, because I got them here last time, but I bought the only 2 they had left. I'm in Daiso right now and I'm looking at the friction pens. These are my favorite pens because they erase. They're literally the best pens ever. But if you guys have never been to Daiso, it's like a 99-cent store, except it's like the Japanese version and everything's $1.50. And some things are a little bit more expensive, but they have stickers on them that give you the price. You guys, look at these cute gift boxes that they have. They are so adorable. They look like little crates. Look how cute these little boxes are, you guys, but they're like $3. They look like little books. Oh, the blue one's gorgeous. Also $3. The zebras are fun. This place literally has everything. It's so amazing. The school supply stuff, I would have died if they had this store when I was like in high school, college. Oh my gosh. How did I not know about Daiso? It's like literally the best. Look at all this stationery. Look at that. They look like Moleskine, however you pronounce it. Oh my gosh. The pens. Little flower pens. Oh, they have. Oh, I'm gonna look to see if they have these face masks. Oh, they do have them. They don't have the 3-packs. They used to have 3-packs. They sometimes have, and they're really nice. Charcoal purifying. Anti-wrinkle. Oh, the collagen ones are really nice. They even have all sorts of delicious snacks. and bags. Hey guys, okay, so I'm back at the house and I'm in my room. I brought everything inside that I got from thrifting today, so those videos are gonna go up this coming week, and I'm very excited because I got some really great stuff, so don't forget to check that out. Then I cut and dyed Dad's hair. I was gonna do Mom's, but she was like, I'm tired, just do it like next week, so I'm gonna do her hair next week. Then now I heated up some leftovers from yesterday, some of the shrimp pasta, which I'm very excited about, so I'm gonna eat that right now and get to work on tomorrow's videos. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Oh, and let me know down below if you guys that are watching right here that made it to this point watched my Instagram stories. When you see this, it'll be from yesterday, and you might still be able to see it when you see this. I did like a thrifting thing for like the whole day. I kind of filmed it kind of like I was filming a YouTube video, so let me know how you guys like that and if you guys want me to do that more in the future. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Okay, you guys, I unfortunately I kind of like cheated on you guys while shopping because it was hard to use the camera. But I was looking around. Look at this tray. It's only $6.99. It's amazing. Also, I found this discarded on the floor, which is crazy because I have this and I love it. It's a Kate Spade pouch. Look at that. I have this. This is perfect. It's so cute. And then next, I have this beautiful Dooney & Bourke. First of all, I love the chain on it. I don't even